Hi everyone, welcome to Cobalt Crochet Tutorials. Today we're going to learn how to change colors at the end of rows in crocheting. Let's get started. So for this tutorial, I've already started this little swatch of half double crochet stitches, but to learn how to color change, you're just going to work on whatever row you're working on until that last row until the color change. And then at the last stitch, so I just finished my second to last stitch, and now I'm at my last stitch. You're going to make your stitches normal, and then before that last pull through, so for double crochet, you would do this step and then wait here. So it's just before the last yarn over pull through where you stop. So for half double crochet, which is what this little swatch is made of, yarn over, pull through, and just stop here. So just stop before that last yarn over and pull through. Now you're going to grab the color of yarn you're changing to, and grabbing that end and holding it like this, you're just going to wrap it behind and over your hook. So this end is dangling right here. And then I like to just grab this tail and the project at the same time just for some stability. So now you have this yarn over on your hook, and you're just going to pull through that last pull through of whatever stitch you're making. So I pulled through all 3 loops for my half double crochet stitch. And now that's finished the stitch, and I've started this new color. Now to keep going with your new color, make your turning chain for your new row, turn your work, and just start half double crocheting or whatever your stitch is right along until the end of the row. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to make a color change in crochet. Feel free to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.